Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to go ahead and make this amazing cold brew gingerbread pour over shake. This is one of my This is one of my favorite ways to make a shake, which is a pour over ice. So I like to shake them up in blender cups and just pour them over ice. And I don't know why I like that better than a blender, but that's what I'm going to do today. So now we are I have my blender cup here. I don't know why my camera wouldn't focus, but I have this gingerbread latte from Skinny Syrups. I'm going to add 3 pumps of that into my water. These are some heavy pumps, as you can see. But if you have the pumps already, you just pump that 3 times. If not, just do 3 tablespoons, pretty much the same thing. And then we're going to go ahead and get our Formula 1. So we're going to use French vanilla. And it's going to be 2 scoops of French vanilla. And then depending on how much protein you need in your diet or in your intake, you're going to do the 1 or 2 scoops. So this one is going to have 2 scoops of the vanilla protein. And I just want to take a second to thank everyone who has liked, comment, and subscribed to my YouTube channel. I appreciate you guys 100%, as well as those of you who have purchased my Herbalife recipe book group on Facebook. All of you are amazing, and that is what keeps me going with my recipe sharing. So I'm going to go ahead and drop my blender ball into the shaker cup and shake that up real good. You want to make sure you shake it up so you don't have chunks while you're drinking your pour over. So I'm going to fill my cup with some ice, and then you're just going to, make it a little fancy with some sugar-free caramel. This is a pour over, so I just kind of squirted it all over in there. And I'm going to pour my shake that I just shook up. Very basic ingredients in this shake. So you just pour it over the ice like that, and then to top it off as a cold brew coffee, I'm going to use my ice cup that I had. You can use anything, but the cup that I just had for ice, I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of instant coffee. Now, if you're going to make the shake, make sure you use instant coffee. I've had a couple of people use actual coffee grounds and ask me why it's not dissolving in their shake. So I'm going to use instant coffee. My preference is Cafe Bustelo. It's the espresso. So I'm going to add a little water in there, and then I'm just going to shake it up. You honestly don't even need like a spoon. It pretty much dissolves as soon as it touches water. So I'm just going to swirl it around like this until it's all dissolved and pour it right over the top of my shake. If you're a coffee lover, you're going to love this. If you stop drinking coffee to be healthier, it's not the coffee that's bad for you. It's everything that, is added into coffee to make it taste good. So this instant espresso is not going to do you harm, of course, unless you can't have caffeine. So I'm going to top it off with this amazing gingerbread whipped cream that I found at Target. They always have these during the holidays. They have their little special edition whipped creams. And this one is the gingerbread. And I'm going to top it off with some crushed graham crackers, and look how amazing this is. Isn't it so pretty? It's so cute, and it tastes so good. And if you have a club, it's very good to the eye. It'll make people, want to come to your club. So thank you again for liking, commenting, and subscribing. Also, if you have gingerbread, you can top it off with crushed gingerbread. That obviously would make more sense, but I just had graham crackers, so that's what I used. So if you guys like, please like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications, share with your Herbalife family and friends. Also, thank all of you for the support on YouTube and also Facebook and Instagram. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I got tons more recipes coming. I'm so happy to be back. See you on the next video.